Hi, today we're going to talk about the Total Finish Medusa 30-to-1 pump. It's a fantastic unit that is fully configurable on our website, and we're going to go over some of the things that you can add to it as you move along. To start with, this is a 30-to-1, as I stated, pump, so you can get up to 3,000 psi of pressure on this unit, stable, going smooth all the time. You got 40 cc's of fluid volume allowed in your lower. To go with that is a spring-loaded set of self-adjusting packings. So every time that cycles, that spring condenses as much as it or as little as it needs to and keeps those packings nice and tight. So they're going to wear a good long time. That's the same kind of system that you're going to see in your Wagner and Nest Iwata pumps. That lower is fully stainless, so it's fully compatible with all your solvent and water-based coatings or stains. It's a great little system. Now, when you go to configure this, you buy the base system, you're going to get your controller, you're going to get your pump, you're going to get your mounting brackets, the hardware, everything you need to do to put that on a wall. You can go up from there. Do you want to use a hopper on that, or do you want to use a suction hose? We can set you up with both of those depending on what you prefer. You got your suction hose and your return hose for your flush. Do you need a manifold with a filter in there to keep everything nice and clean as it's going to your gun? Set you up with that. Set of hoses, high pressure system. You need your spray gun to go along with it. This is our new Lady Viper. You can choose that option as well. How about your fluid regulators? Keep everything nice and smooth and you don't have that little bit of whisper that happens in there in between the pump cycles. Extra filters, extra conical gaskets, whatever you need to keep this system going. You can build on it. You can start with the basics and build up, or you can just go for broke at the beginning and start from there. Now we're also going to show you some of the ways that you can mount this. All right, this is our two-wheel trolley cart system, one of the upgrades that you can do there. As you can see, real basic trolley cart system. This one happens to have the hopper and the return hose on there, your air in, your air out, and your fluid out to your hose. This also has the fluid manifold option. This is our 18 by 30 cart layout. This one has, in this configuration, the 5-gallon suction rod as well as the fluid manifold on there. Same basic layout, but on a much sturdier cart. This is one of our 30 by 30 cart configurations. This particular unit, we have our 5-way valve set up on there. That allows you to have 3 different coatings and a flush, making for quick changes, and you can move right through, say, your primer, your standard coat, and your top coat. You can do all of it with a very quick rinse and change. So that gives you a little bit of an idea of the multitude of ways that you can configure your systems to your needs. Once again, that spring-loaded packing system is one of the most durable ones that are made. This is a very robust system. We've got it made in Germany to our exacting standards, and it's at the lowest price point that you can find on the market for a 30-to-1 pump like this. Look for it at totalfinishing.com.